Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me NOKIA X10, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up newbie share on this device. Okay, firstly open control panel, then find here newbie share. But first of all enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services. As you can see, I have location services disabled, so I need to enable it. Just enable it. Cool. Now find newbie share, click and hold on it, wait a while, click add or verify, and cool. Now enable newbie share, choose device name. Here you can change your device name. You can change the visibility for others. For example, you can be hidden, you can be visible for contacts only or for everyone. I suggest you use everyone mode. Then you can change data usage mode. So choose your data usage mode and cool. Now you're visible for others in newbie share network, and you can send any files and receive any files using newbie share. For example, if you want to share some image from your device, you just need to click share and then choose newbie share. Here you will see all available newbie share devices, and that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.